So this one's one that we're going to call side entrance. It's one where the actual entrance to the house that you would use for the basement is going to come down from the side. It might be through a garage, it might be external, it just depends. This one conveniently is external. I'll kind of show you a quick idea of what this layout looks like. Generally, it's almost always front living room. You're going to come into the back here, kitchen off to one side, and then it's going to be 2 or 3 beds. That part varies, but generally you're looking at, again, side entrance. What's really nice with this one is actually right behind the camera here is we do have a sliding door. So these aren't common in all of them. So having the sliding door is actually a nice little benefit because the upstairs unit can still have access to getting outside to the backyard without having to share a side door. So again, there's gonna be a couple different bedroom setups on the side. You can figure that out yourself. Mostly we're looking at the entrance style. As you can see, they'd be over there. This one's a bit unique, this specific house, but the floor plan's the same. Normally right here is the edge of the house. So there'd be a door right here that's external. They've added this extra little kind of mud room on here, which is really nice actually. So normally you just come in that door here, you actually have a mud room, and you would close this all off so that the people upstairs don't have to deal with it. So on this one right here, this is what goes into the kitchen for the upstairs. This would become a solid door. Never fully close this off. You always want it to be a single family home, but you'd put a door here that fully locks off from both sides so neither can just walk into the other without keys and other things there to keep it that way. All right, so then coming down the basement, obviously down here is where we're gonna have that second unit or mother-in-law suite, whatever you wanna call it. With each of these, the specific things we're looking for here is we're gonna try to find where your kitchen would go. The layouts in these is always gonna be a little bit different, but in a lot of them, right at the bottom of the stairs, you're gonna have living room on one side, and on the other side, you're gonna have what could be converted into a kitchen space. It's usually gonna be next to the utility room, and it's gonna be where the laundry currently is. So if you came in here, you can see plenty of room to build out a kitchen. You could have laundry built into here. All the plumbing is easily accessible. This is a pretty simple setup. And again, bedrooms will change, bathrooms will change. Usually it's 1 bath, but you're gonna have 2 or 3 bedrooms, sometimes even just 1, just depending on how it's set up. But this is a pretty good setup to have the conversion done. Simple work. Overall, this is a very easy conversion most of the time.